All right, let's do a language challenge. Swedish versus Spanish again with Patricia.
Let's do it.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin. Yeah. Yes, we're going to do a language challenge again here in Old Town. You'll say things in Spanish. I will try to repeat it in Spanish. I'll say things in Swedish. You'll try to repeat things in Swedish.
Sounds good.
All right. So the first sentence can be, we had coffee and a bun.
Okay.
What's that in Spanish?
Nos hemos tomado un café y un bollo.
Nos hemos tomado un café y bonado?
Y un bollo.
Un bollo.
Un bollo. Pero
Uy.
it was actually a cinnamon bun, so I would say rollo de canela.
Rollo de canela.
Rollo de canela. Rollo de canela.
Okay, one more time.
Nos hemos tomado un café y un rollo de canela.
Oh.
It's quite long, but
Nos hemos tomado un café y un... what was the last one? Rollo
de canela.
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 Rollo.
Rollo de canela.
Like a royal. It's a royal bun. Okay, so we had coffee and cinnamon bun.
Yes.
Or we ate, you can say.
We ate, yeah.
Vi drack kaffe och åt kanelbulle.
Vi dricker kaffe och ett kanelbullar.
Yeah.
Something.
I liked how you changed the tempos there, but it was still right. Sneaky.
So
okay.
it's like eat. It's like ate. No.
Yeah, vi åt.
Vi åt. So
Okay.
what else do we do?
Then we went to the sci-fi store.
Después fuimos a la tienda de ciencia ficción.
One more time.
Después fuimos a la tienda de ciencia ficción.
Después
Fuimos.
What was that?
Fuimos. It's like we went.
And we went.
Yeah.
Fuimos
A
la
tienda.
Tienda. Oh yeah, of course.
Tienda.
Yeah. Tienda.
De ciencia ficción.
Ciencia ficción.
Ciencia ficción.
Is there a Swedish word for science fiction? I don't know. Okay. Okay, Swedish.
Yeah, let's go.
Sen gick vi till sci-fi bokhandeln.
One more time.
Sen gick vi till sci-fi bokhandeln.
Sen gick vi till sci-fi bokhandel.
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 Bokhandel, yeah.
Bokhandel. That first part was like very like
yeah, we say sci-fi as in science fiction.
We went to. How do you say we went to?
Vi gick till.
Vi gick till sci-fi bokhandel.
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 Bookshop. And the last one is
we're walking around the old town.
We're walking around Old Town. What's that in Spanish?
Estamos dando un paseo por la ciudad antigua, ciudad vieja, por el casco antiguo. Casco antiguo, I think you would say. Yeah.
Okay.
So estamos dando un paseo por el casco antiguo de Estocolmo.
Oh wow, that's how can that be so long?
Let's divide it. Estamos dando una vuelta. En el casco antiguo.
En el casco de Antillo.
Actually, por el casco
as
antiguo.
in old, not viejo, but Antillo.
Antiguo, el casco antiguo de Estocolmo.
De Estocolmo.
Sí. I'm even doubting my own language skills right now.
That's because you live in Finland.
too long living abroad. Then I'm like, wait a second, what's the right preposition? But estamos dando un paseo, una vuelta por el casco antiguo de Estocolmo. Did I say that on the first time? I don't remember anymore.
Well, I just repeated what you said. So
Sorry. Okay. And på svenska?
Yes. What was the sentence again?
We're having a walk around the old town.
We're walking around. Vi går omkring I Gamla stan.
Say again, sorry.
Vi går omkring I Gamla stan.
Vi går omkring I Gamla stan.
Yeah.
I Stockholm. I Sverige.
I Stockholm, I Sverige.
I Stockholm, Sverige.
On Earth.
Da.
Yeah, you were in Russia.
Has been a long time since I haven't been to Stockholm, like a couple of years, so it was nice.
I was here yesterday.
Oh, lucky you.
Yeah.
You have to now visit North Korea.
North Korea.
North Korea.
North Korea, yeah. North Korea, where did that come from?
Yeah.
He doesn't answer my letters. I write Kim every day. Oh. No, but yes, I will.
He's a busy guy.
I will. Yeah, he's a very busy guy with his with his high heels. Well, thank you for playing language challenge Swedish versus Spanish.
My pleasure.
Suecia contra Español.
Vices!
Vices!
Adios!